Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Cook Tasty with Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Indian pancakes made of semolina and plain yogurt. So let's get started. For this recipe we need 1 large chopped tomato, 170 grams plain yogurt, 1 large chopped onion, 3 tablespoons coriander leaves, 5 to 6 chopped green chilies, and semolina 400 grams, salt to taste, and water. In a bowl, mix the semolina with the yogurt and water until you get a thick butter. And the texture of the butter should be like this. Now add the tomato, onion, coriander leaves and the green chilies, and the salt to taste. You can add even curry leaves or mint leaves. You can add anything you like in this mixture, in this butter. And then mix nicely. The butter is now nicely mixed. At the same time, I'm making my frying pan hot. Pour some oil in the pan and spread it nicely. And take the butter and spread it slowly using a spoon until you get a thin layer. In India they call this pancake Rava Uttapam. I hope that I spell it nicely. And they have it during the breakfast. It's very famous there. And it is so easy to make. It doesn't require lots of time. The flame should be slow to medium, not high flame. Like this you will get a crispy uttapam. The Uttapam looks good now. It's really a funny name. I will just call it pancake. The pancakes looks just good now. and it is thin. Like this it will be crispy. We will now let it cook until the color changes. After the color changes, here it changed, we will spread again some oil and we will flip it to the other side until it is cooked. The uttapam is now ready. We will serve it in a plate. This pancake is to be eaten hot, as it will be crispy, hot, spicy, nice, tasty. I hope that you try this recipe and I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and see you again soon in another video. Bye bye.